Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you today? I am gonna show you how to create a new user for MySQL database. I will be creating the user for specific database, not for all. So let's start. So if you can create user from here, as I show you how to create a query from here directly. Negative MySQL. So root and P and E, and here will be my query in this. So I made a lecture on this in my previous video. So let's quickly dive into my SQL root. Now if you see databases here, now I will be creating a user for this specific database, which is bank. Now first I will use bank. Now the user will be created inside this for this bank database, not for all of these. So I use now create a database for this. The command for this is create a user. So create user, and the name of the user is, let's suppose, Amir. This is the commas, and I am using localhost, and identified. This will be my password. Identified by, so my password is root. Identified is correct. Now let's run this, and my new user is created. So at first there will be no privileges given to this user. So if you check this, now let's exit, and if you go to this user with the help of MySQL, so there is the root, and username is Amer, and the database was bank. So for bank I created Amer. Now if I enter the command, now I will be ask for password. Now my password was root, so let's, and I enter here. I get this error of access denied, because by default the created user has zero access, no privileges as given to this. uh, so all the permissions are taken from this by default. So what will I do? So let's join as root again. So here I will give some use bank. So here I will give privileges to that. So if you write this command, so let's suppose, so if you check show grants for username was Amer, and what was that localhost. So here you can see this will show the privileges for that Amer, and here you can see grant usage Amer, which means that no privileges given to this localhost Amer. So if you want to give privileges of all privileges, you can use this method of, let's so now I will give all privileges to that Amer. No, now write this query, grant privileges, grant all privileges. Yes, the spelling is correct. On the username is Amer, localhost. So it means this star means that all privileges against that all rows and columns which is inside the bank database. Now all privileges will be given to this Amer, as you can see. Grant all privileges aside as direct to, okay, I forgot to. So here you will be sold to Amer, and if to Amer at localhost, everything is correct. Grant all correspond to a use in here. So okay, my spelling are mistaken, my god. Okay, privilege. These spelling are very annoying. Okay. Now, if you run this, now all privileges are given to you. How would I know that the privileges are given to that user? So you can use this command again. Grants, show grants. So as you can see, show grants for Amer. Now you can see all privileges are given to this localhost Amer. As you can see, select, update, and others privileges. Now let's quickly. Uh, now let's uh, again. If I want to join this, hmm, now I will join this new username with this command mysql negative u, and this time the user is Amer, as you can see, and the database was bank. Now this is the database name. Now if I enter, now here will be asked for password. My password is root, and now I am in my new user, as you can see. As this from here, php my admin. So that's simple. Now I want to take that all privileges from that user again. So now let's take all privileges for from the user. The command for this is just you used grant here, now you use revoke. As you can see, revoke all privileges. Now instead of 2 on this from this, now you can see all privileges are taken away from user again. Now let's if we exit, and if I use my SQL again, as you can see, on bank root is password and access is generated, because I get all the privileges from that Amer by using this statement revoke all privileges on this. So let's I want to give a specific privileges for a table. Let's use so here I cannot log in as my, because no privileges are given, so I will be login with my root. So let's log in use bank. Now I want to give specific, as you can see, show tables. Now I want to give privileges for only this account table to the Amer. Now what will I do? I will simply use this command of now let's write grant. So the type of permission, the privileges are, we can use select, delete, drop. These are some type of permissions. So let's grant the select permission to Amer. Select on database is bank, and the table name is account. Now I want to give only the account permission to that Amer, and he will only allow to select from that account. So as you can see, bank.account, and to user Amer localhost. So here is my localhost name. If you enter, now this privilege is given to this. If you use show grants for Amer localhost, now you can see the privileges of select is given to Amer across this account table only. So if I exit from this, let's I exited from this. Now if I want to log in my SQL, user is Amer, and the database is bank. Now you can see I am able to enter into this because one privilege is given to me across this account. So if I use show tables, Now only account table is shown to me because I have given only select privilege to Amer for only account. So I can use select on this, select everything from account. As you can see, now I am able to use select statement on this account, but all other tables are hidden from me because other privileges are not given to me.